Hello. Increasingly wintry weather is likely to cause problems for some parts of the UK as we go through the days ahead. At the moment, Scotland is seeing some pretty heavy snowfall, largely across high ground, but as we move towards the weekend, it's going to turn colder for all of us, and that threat of snow will gradually shift further south. Thursday, we see Scotland in the coldest air. Friday, a little bit of a battle going on there between the colder and the milder air to the south. By Saturday and Sunday, the cold air works its way all the way south. We have a cutting easterly wind, and it's likely we'll see the snow moving south too. So this evening and overnight, more snow though for Scotland. At the lowest levels, it will be rain, perhaps a sleety mixture through the central belt, but ice could certainly be a problem first thing on Thursday. In the towns and cities, temperatures hovering just above freezing, but quite frosty generally for Scotland and for parts of northern England. It's milder to the south, more rain for Northern Ireland, Northern England and North Wales. On Thursday, the snow keeps coming in to Scotland. Also, perhaps we'll see something a little wintry further south across the Pennines for a time too. Notice the contrast in temperatures north and south of the UK, just above freezing. In the north, double figures to the south. Some rain for southernmost counties of England. That snow, though, persisting across Scotland through Friday into Saturday has led the Met Office to issue an amber warning in advance for heavy and disruptive snow. Strong easterly winds is likely to mean blizzards and drifting too. It's this weather front that grinds to a halt that keeps the snow coming. The centre of low pressure slides further south, and as it does so, it pulls the colder air along with it. Here we go, Friday, Saturday. Just look at that snow continuing to pulse in across Scotland. Notice the change, though, through Saturday into Sunday. Things sliding south, the colder air moving south. By Sunday, it's looking quite wintry across a central swathe of the UK. A reminder of how that cold air digs its way south through the end of the week, but particularly into the weekend. Towards the west, I think we will still see a lot of sunshine, but it will feel increasingly cold. But for central and eastern areas, by the second half of the weekend, there will be a risk of some widespread and potentially heavy snow for some. This area will change as our model moves from run to run now as we get closer to the time, but just keep that in the back of your mind. In the days ahead, things will turn colder, disruptive snow for Scotland in the short term, more widespread come this weekend.